Hello students, standard 8 English medium. In maths we are busy chapter 3 understanding quadrilaterals. In the previous videos we learn about the different things like angle sum property, what is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon and so on. And then we also learn how to find out the remaining angles using the angle sum property. Now we are going to start exercise 3.2. Question 1 says the find x in the following figures. So one of the angles will be unknown. And using the properties that we learn, we have to find out that answer. First question is in A. This angle is x degree. This angle is 125 degree. And this is also 125. And we have to find the value of x. Now you can see that all these three angles are the exterior angles. And in the previous lecture, we learned that the sum of all exterior angle of any polygon, doesn't matter which type of polygon is it, the sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. So we have to use that concept here. So we can write down sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So here three angles are given. So x plus 125 degree plus 125 degree is equal to 360 degree. Because it doesn't matter it is a triangle or a quadrilateral or a pentagon, hexagon, any type of polygon is there. The sum of exterior angle will be 360, because yesterday also we learned about it that when we start from the point, go side by side and come back to the original position, we have to take a circular round and it causes 360 degree. So sum of the all exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So therefore x plus 125 plus 125 will be 250. So now 250 will go that side, so x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. Therefore, x degree. So 360 minus 250, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So your answer is 110 degree. So here we have to use the property that the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Let's take the another one, another figure. The angle is 60 degree here. Here it is sine shows 90 degree. Here it is 70 degree. That is the x we have to find. And here interior angle is given 90 degree. So from that, first of all we have to find that base exterior angle by the property of what you call it, linear pair. So here one of the base exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 90. Why? Because they are making a linear pair. And it is also 90 degree. So that one is also a 90 degree. Now we have to use the same property here, that sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So we can take x plus 90 plus 60 degree plus again 90 degree plus 70 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all are there, is equal to 360 degree. So now we will add those ones. So x plus 0, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 9, 31, right? So 310 is equal to 360 degree. And therefore we get x 360 degree minus 310 degree. So the missing angle x 360 minus 310 will be 50 degree. So our answer is 50 degree. So you can see that by using that property, exterior angle, sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. To find the measure of each exterior angles, each exterior angle of a regular polygon of first 9 sides and second 15 sides. First we will think about the 9 sides. Now we know that if it's a regular polygon, then each of exterior angle will be of the same measure. Now how will we find what is the measure of it? It is simple, because we know that sum of all the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. And all the angles are same, 9. So we have to divide it by the number of sides. So here all exterior angle are of same measure as it is a regular polygon. Therefore, now we know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, measure of each angle is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. So here 9 sides, so is equal to 360 degree upon 9. 9 fours are, so 40 degree. So the first answer is that each angle will be of 40 degree. So up to there, here it will be here, so you can write down here that number 1, 9 sides. Now we will take for the second. How many sides are there? 15 sides. So here also we will say that measure of each angle is equal to 360 degree upon number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon 15. If you divide 360 by 15, 15 and 2s are 30, 15 4s are 60, so answer is 24 degree. So the second answer is 24 degree. It means that if it is a regular polygon of 9 sides, each exterior angle will be of 40 degree and each angle is of 24 degree when the polygon have 15 sides. Let's move to the third question. Question 3 says, how many sides does a regular polygon have? A regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree. An exterior angle is of 24 degree. It means that here there is a reverse of that. In the question 2, we saw that 9 sides, 15 sides, means number of sides were given and we have to find each exterior angle. Here, exterior angle is given. It is a regular polygon. We have to find the number of sides. So how will we do it here? Now, we know that each exterior angle will be of 24 degrees as it is a regular polygon. It is a regular polygon because if it is polygon is regular, all the interior angles and all the exterior angles will be of the same size. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. So here 360 degree divided by, now each angle is of 24 degree. So now we have to divide 360 by 24. You know that here, we already done here. 360 by 15 is 24. So 360 by 24 will be 15 degree. So it will be 15, not side. Therefore, the polygon has 15 sides. So here it is totally opposite of the question 2. In question 2, sides were given and we have to find a measure of each exterior angle. Here it is the totally reverse, that each exterior angle is given 24 degree and then we have to find the sides. So number of sides is equal to 360 divided by each exterior angle. So we get 15 sides. 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree. Here, very important, interior angle is given. So it is not exterior angle, so that we can use that thing same that we used in the previous sums. So first of all, we have to find the exterior angle, because this property that sum of all in exterior angle only 360 degree. So we have to first find out the value of exterior angle. So now the exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 180 degree minus interior angle, as they are making a linear pair. So now 180 degree minus interior angle is given is 165 degree. So first of all, we have to subtract 180 degree minus 165 degree. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. Here 1 cut, so 7. 7 minus 6 will be 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the exterior angle. Now, being a regular polygon, each exterior angle of it will be same of 15 degree. So now we have to do that thing that we did in the previous sum. We have to find the number of sides. Therefore, number of sides of a polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. So 360 degree divided by, what is exterior angle is here? It is 15 degree. So 360 degree divided by 15. So now we have to divide 360 by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, and 15 fours are 60. So how many sides will be there? 24. Therefore, the polygon has 24 sides. So in this situation, you have to be careful. Why? Because if you don't read that it is interior angle, what will we do? We will directly divide 360 by 165. And your answer will be wrong. Because it is the interior angle given. And sum of all exterior angle is 360. And you know that some of the interior angles are different. We know that it is n minus 2 into 180. So it will be different. So you have to be very, very careful when it is interior. So read the question carefully. Right? So by this way, we can find the answer. So now we are going to stop this video here. After this, as usual, you know most, you will get a PDF file. You have to write down in the notebook, and any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you.